Welcome back, fourth graders. I hope yesterday was successful in your first math lesson at home. Today we're going to be moving forward and we're going to be working in that same packet, numbers and number and operations in base 10. Today we're going to be working on comparing numbers. I want you to take a moment and I want you to think, what do I know about comparing numbers? You might list them across your fingers. You might jot them down. Okay, let's bring it back. I'm sure a lot of you are thinking, oh, when we compare numbers, we use phrases and symbols like greater than. We use the symbol less than or the phrase less than. And we also use the phrase and symbol equal to. Now, I'm sure, no, that's for rounding, never mind. Today, we have our problem, and I think you guys are going to like this problem. Last month, the corner store sold 3,205 bacon, egg, and cheeses. Yum. The number of bacon, egg, and cheeses sold the month before was 3,025. Using greater than, less than, equal to, compare the number of bacon, egg, and cheeses sold. So it seems like the corner store sold a lot of bacon, egg, and cheeses. Move this up a little. A little better, fourth graders. Okay. Yeah, so it seems like the corner store sold quite a bit of bacon, egg, and cheeses last month and the month before. But I also see that I'm being asked to compare the bacon, egg, and cheeses sold last month and the bacon, egg, and cheeses sold the month before. Now, one way I'm thinking about showing my work about comparing these number of bacon, egg, and cheeses is with a place value chart. Now, I know that last month, 3,205 bacon, egg, and cheeses were sold. But I know that 3,025 bacon, egg, and cheeses were sold the month before. Now I want you to take a look at these two numbers and I want you to think, which amount of bacon, egg, and cheeses is greater? Is it last month, LM, or the month before, MB? And how do you know? Take a moment to think. Let's bring it back. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, well, in the ones place, those are the same amount of bacon, egg, and cheeses. Here are 5 bacon, egg, and cheeses. Here are 5 bacon, egg, and cheeses. And I know that some of you are looking at the tens place, and you see that last month, there weren't any bacon, egg, and cheeses in the tens place. But in the month before, there were 2. Let's take a look at the other place values. If we look at the next place value in the hundreds place, I see that last month, 200 bacon, egg, and cheeses were at least sold, but in the month before, there weren't any. And in the thousands place, I see that 3,000 bacon, egg, and cheeses were sold, and 3,000 bacon, egg, and cheeses were sold. So I'm pretty sure that you would agree with me that we have to take a look at this hundreds place because it's the greatest place value that can help us compare the number of bacon, egg, and cheeses sold last month to the bacon, egg, and cheeses that were sold the month before. So I'm thinking because there are 200 bacon, egg, and cheeses sold last month and no hundreds sold the month before, I'm thinking that 3,205 markers are falling everywhere. Is greater than 3,025 bacon, egg, and cheeses. Fourth graders, today you will be working on the pages labeled 4.nbt.a2 in the top right-hand corner. As always, if you have any questions, please contact your teachers or replay this video again. I'll see you next time.